Okay guys, just a quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you key support resistance levels to pay attention to. I think that this drop is just a warm up. The major move is going to happen tomorrow. If you watched the previous video, I told you I was going short right here because of this ring. That is this video here. I'll put a link up to it now if you want to check it out. I was saying basically because this ring was support, 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 it would flip as resistance. That's why I went short here. This is a chart. You can see we hit it and we got rejected. We did get a wick above, but we were able to catch that wick to the dollar. I made a post. This was an hour ago on Twitter. Remember, if you sign up to the charts, you get access to Discord and Twitter. I said when you load up a chart, always look left. I was showing the Q1 chart. We found resistance as fib channel line at 21,752. We found resistance at 21,875. And we found resistance at 22,725. This was to the dollar. So we're saying pay attention to that chart as a point to get rejected. And I also made other posts. I made a lot of posts this morning on Twitter and Discord. So I was saying make sure you read all of them so you don't miss little nuggets like this one. 20 hours ago, I was preparing everyone. I said, if you want the safest stop loss to stay in, just in case this tanks, I have my stop price above the target on the Q1 chart. So saying, look, 20 hours ago, I said, pay attention, the price pushes up. This is the chart to load up, to watch, to potentially short or have your stop above. And you can see how this played out. We got rejected, it came down. So this is Q1 chart. Again, that's what I was talking about. It was resistance, resistance, resistance. That's why this was an ideal point to put in a short. So I'm going to talk about this blue ring we're going to cross soon. I think that's where we're going to get the next major move to the downside. If you do want to sign up to these charts, guys, website is opticalartcrypto.com. That link will be pinned in the first comment description. $49 a month gives you access to Bitcoin charts, Discord, and Twitter. If you want to pay with USDT, you can, but you need to email me through the website. If you want to get a leverage trading, guys, I use BitGet, love the platform. My link's pinned in the first comment description. If you want to sign up, you can get up to $4,163 to trade with for free, depending on how much you deposit. I have a tutorial video showing you how to get one of my charts into BitGet to trade, as well as set up a short, and a stop loss to protect yourself, as well as adjust your stop loss. So I'll put a link up to that video now if you want to check it out. And I did notice that BitGet just offered, there's something new where you can do spot trading with 0% zero fees, which is actually pretty cool. So if you're into spot trading, you might want to check that out. So guys, this is the M1 chart. I'm going to tell you right now, I have matching targets on multiple charts showing 20,900, 20,700 is your next key support level to catch a bounce. But keep in mind, as I've been talking about, every time we cross from these blue rings, we get a major move, major drop. We cross this ring here, we got a dump. We cross this ring here, we got a dump. We'll be crossing this next ring on the 14th. So tomorrow we'll be crossing this ring, and I think it's very likely how it played out previous two rings, we'll get a dump. So we could catch a bounce here around 20,900-ish. Once we cross this ring, this is where we're going to start having that major drop. And I can show you that your next major support catch balance is around 19,165, depending when you make contact. If we break that support level, I gave you previous support levels in previous videos. So again, pay attention tomorrow. This is just some other charts in Confluence. This is that ring from the K1 chart I added to the G1 chart. You can see we've got support level here at 20,712, and again, when we cross this ring, this is when I expect us to have that big move to the downside. And these are just charts in Confluence. This is the A1BG chart I just referenced earlier that I show you how to get it into the BitGet platform to trade with. You can see the next support level is 20,862. So again, since all these charts have matching targets, it's likely we'll catch a bounce here, but once we cross this ring, that's when I expect to have a lot more downside. Guys, if you want to access these charts, the website is opticalartcrypto.com. Link pinned in the first comment description. $49 a month gives you access to Bitcoin charts, Discord, and Twitter. And again, if you want to sign up for BitGet, my affiliate link's pinned down in the first comment description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.